Hello everyone. Basically, my motto is to just define some crucial thing about the if formula, so that you should have understanding about if how I'm going to analyze the session. So basically, when I talk about if, यदि मैं थोड़ा सा मैं bilingual करूँगा, यदि मैं if की बात करूँ, तो there must be a two result always. यदि something, otherwise that thing. So if always carries two results. Just I'm talking about, I have a one friend Ram, so I say कि if Ram come, then I will study. तो मुझे स्टडी करनी है, पढ़ाई करनी है, अदरवाइज मैं खेलने जाऊंगा, So that means Ram is a condition in which we get two results. If Ram comes, then हम स्टडी करेंगे, otherwise we will go to play. Otherwise में हम खेलने जाएंगे. So first of all, we need to understand this condition. That is the condition. That is very important to define. Basically, people are unable to do that. Because of that, they are not. They are unable to utilize the if formula properly. So major thing is the condition is Ram. So हम बात करते हैं, Ram आता है तो हम स्टडी करेंगे, नहीं तो खेलेंगे. तो how we can explain it all? So what do you mean by this comma and comma? So first comma means then, and second comma means otherwise. So there are two comma. First comma means then, and second comma means otherwise. So first is to define the Ram. So how we will write the formula? मैं अब थोड़ा सा conceptual, I'm going to give you conceptual way. क्योंकि normally formula ऐसे लिखा जाता है, if bracket start, if Ram comes, that means Ram. This is the if Ram comes, comma, हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? Study. If it is alphabetical thing, it is not numerical, it is alphabetical. So always you need to write it on double quote. Study. Then again comma. That means otherwise. What we will do? Otherwise हम क्या करेंगे? That is play. Again it is alphabetical. So we will do that. So it is all about the single if formula. We will learn double if as well. So we are talking about a single if. How we will define the formula. It is all about the formula. Now we are going to take us some condition so that we can understand how to manage it. Just I'm talking about if we get result more than, if marks greater than 60%, then first, otherwise pass. We have only two options, first or pass, because we are utilizing here, we are going to learn only single if, so we couldn't carry the 2 and 3 result here. So basically it is all about if marks is more than 60, it is first, otherwise pass. So our condition is this. Here it is marks and sales both. So here we will consider this number as a marks. So basically we need to define the formula here. So similar way as I have written here, आपको सेम वही फॉर्मूला लिखना है जो मैंने वहां लिखा है. Equal to if, now what was the था? Ram comes. That means here is the condition marks. So many of people write here marks. It is not right way, because if you are talking about mark, so we need to take the numerical value of marks. This is very important. So I told you to define the condition is very important. Rest is very easy. So this, what would be happen? Greater than 60. So you need to write there greater than 60. Then comma, the first result, that is first. So we need to write here FIRST first. हम यहाँ लिखते हैं first लिखते हैं, then comma, second comma, that means otherwise. इसका मतलब होता है otherwise. तो पहला या तो first होगा, otherwise pass होगा. So if we are talking about pass, then we will write here pass in double quotes as instructed. So now I'm going to click on this button. and we will drag it out. You see the all people who achieved more than 80, they are first, and less than 80, they are pass. I'm talking about 60. I'm talking about 60. What about the 60? It is also pass. Why? We didn't define if people will, it is greater than 61, not equal to 61. If we will change to some extent, just like here, greater than equal to, then we need to change here also, greater than equal to. Thereafter, when we will drag it, we will get the right result. If it is 6, then also it will pass. So it is all, we are talking about this is the single if formula. If we are going through the double if, similar it will happen. Ram and Sam will be the person, and we would have 3 results. If Ram come, I will study. यदि राम आता है मैं पढ़ाई करूँगा. If Sam को, we will go to football, play the football. हम दूसरे में फुटबॉल खेलने जाएंगे. Otherwise, what we will do? The third would be the third result. So when we have a double if, that it always brings 3 results. So we will learn in our session about the similar formulas, so that logically you could be strong and you will be able to utilize your skill, and you will be able to utilize your skill of if in your work areas. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please book yourself here so that we can meet on 21st June at 8 p.m. Timing is 8 p.m. because lots of people are working in a corporate, so they are unable to attend a session in day. And I'm also recommending you please subscribe my channel on YouTube, so that the entire Excel formula can be taught free of cost. So that is my YouTube channel name, HR Ops for you. So please visit this channel and try to book our in another event. We have another event that is for taxation, entire taxation, salary calculation, salary breakup, tax saving plan, best tax saving plan. Thereafter, the all section of the tax saving, the special section for tax saving, so that you could be awareness about how to save the maximum tax. And it is that session is basically related to the employee, related to the HR and finance team, and this is for everyone. So please, if you have an issue, you can contact me on. You can write the comment over the videos on that place. You will get the link on my YouTube channel. We have that events link is there. You can from there you can book your ticket. आप वहाँ मेरा already link है, आप जाएं वहाँ से book करें tickets को for that session जो होने वाला है 25th. That session is going to happen on 25th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. 3-hour session. That is also free of cost. And there is a charge for 99 rupees written there. वहाँ charge 99 rupees charge लिखा हुआ है. But there are coupon for that. Please apply the coupon. That is free of cost for everyone. Please, I always request everyone, please subscribe it and like my channel and press the bell icon, so that I will cover the lots of things in HR and advanced Excel and the lots of areas where employees are suffering from different type of problems, just like a PF withdraw problem, PF related transfer problem, job overlap problem, multiple problem in PF and multiple problem in ESIC. What people are suffering from, they are not aware, they couldn't have awareness about the facility of these two compliances. So मैं always short videos डालूंगा, so that you could be aware, you can get the lots of information from this. Please, thank you very much everyone. Let's meet on 21st June 2023 at 8.